Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss about the nominal pi method. In the previous class, we discussed the nominal t method for ABCD calculations. In this method, the line to neutral capacitance is divided into two halves, one half being concentrated at load end and other half and at the sending end. Okay, and in this the neutral capacitance, okay, this is the capacitance is divided into two halves. Okay, this is C by 2 and this one is also C by 2. Okay, and first one half of this connected at the load and one half connected at the sending end side. Okay, so this is the connection, is the symbolic representation as the pi model representation. Okay, and for ABCD calculations, nominal pi method, we can take the current values, we can find out the current values and voltage values also. Okay, here in this circuit, the current at the sending end side flowing the current is Is, and at the sending end voltage is Vs, and at the receiving end side, that is nothing but connected load connected, the voltage will be VR and the current is IR. Okay, and sending end voltage is Vs and current is Is, and for receiving end the current is IR and voltage is VR. In between, in the transmission line, Is is flowing here, so it can be divided into two. That is nothing but in the transmission this line IL, we can consider it, IL current is flowing here, and here IC2, and then travel to some distance, and here that IL current can be divided into two, that is IR and IC1. Okay, this is the capacitor C1. Okay, this, in that flowing current is IC1, and here the capacitor C2, the flowing current is IC2. We can assume that values only. Okay, and here the capacitance value is half of the value C by 2, and here also the capacitance value is C by 2. Okay, in this first we can take the current values and voltage values. Okay, first IL equal to, write down the equation, IL equal to IR plus IC1. Okay, IL equal to IR plus IC1. So IC1 equal to, we know that IC1 formula, IC1 equal to VR is nothing but in the, with respect to parallel line, the voltage will be appeared same voltage. Okay, so here also the voltage is VR present in the capacitance. Okay, so VR into omega C by T is nothing but VR by XC also we can write, and 1 by XC in the place of we can write Y. Okay, so here VR into Y by 2. The C value, capacitance value is C by 2. So in that we place by 2. VR into Y by 2. This is the value for IC1. And similarly IC2 also we can write here. IC2 equal to Vs is present in the sending end side. So in this no term, no elements will be present here. So in the this reason, for capacitance C2 also voltage Vs is present. So Vs into Y by 2. Okay, this is the capacitance value. Okay, for IC2. Once again, I will write the equations. Okay. See here, I draw the circuit diagram. So here the flowing current is Is, and the voltage is Vs. Here the voltage is VR and the current is IR. In the middle of the line, the flowing current is IL. So here the flowing current is IC1, and here the current is IC2. Okay, this is the capacitance C1, and the value of capacitance C1 is C by 2, and this is the capacitance C2. The value of capacitance C2 is also C by 2. This is the representation diagram for the nominal pi method. In this, firstly we can take the current expression IL equal to IR plus IC1, IR plus IC1. In the place of IC1, we can write IC1 equal to, so here the voltage is VR. VR present in the capacitance C1. Okay, so sorry, VR into, so C by 2 is nothing but XC by 2, so that value can be rewrite as Y by 2. Okay, so IC1 equal to VR into Y by 2, and similarly for IC2, IC2 equal to Vs voltage is present here, so Vs into Y by 2. Okay, here also the capacitance value is C by 2, and here also the capacitance value is C by 2. So here the current values for IC1 and IC2 is VR into Y by 2, Vs into Y by 2. Okay, so substitute the value for IC1 in the equation, we can get IR plus IC1 is nothing but VR into Y by 2. Okay, this is value for IL. So we can find out the value for IS. IS, we can derive the expressions, the only sending end current and receiving end current. Okay, sending end current, sending end current and sending end voltage in terms of receiving end current, receiving end voltage. Okay, we know that equations. Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR. So Vs value, sending end current value in terms of receiving end current and receiving end voltage. Okay, in that we can find out the IS value in terms of IR and VR with okay, so IS expression, current expression, IS equal to IL plus IC2, IL plus IC2. Okay, IS equal to IL plus IC2. We know that IL equation IR plus VR into Y by 2. Substitute here. So, okay, see here IL plus IC2. In the place of IL, we can substitute the value IR plus VR into Y by 2 plus IC2. Okay, IL expression is IR plus VR by 2. You can write here, and for IC2 value right here. Okay, in the place of IC2 we can substitute the value is Vs into Y by 2. Okay, Vs into Y by 2. So we can find out the sending in current value. We know that sending in voltage value. So write down the expression for Vs. Okay, sending in voltage. Vs equal to, once again I will repeat this, Is equal to IR plus VR into y by 2 plus Vs into y by 2. Okay. In this current expression, VR, IR and Vs also term is there. For finding Vs, we can derive the expression here. Vs equal to Vs voltage, sending end voltage equal to receiving end voltage plus drop. Okay. So Vs equal to VR plus drop. Drop is nothing but in that parameters R and XL terms. Here the drop will occur. So in that line, the current is IL is flowing here. So IL is the current IL into Z. Okay, IL into Z. Z is nothing but R plus JXL in the complex form. Okay, you can write the here only the constant parameters, that is a Z and Y. Okay, so here Vs equal to VR plus IL into Z. We know the IL value. Substitute here. VR plus IL value is nothing but IL value is IR plus VR into Y by 2. IR plus VR into y by 2. This is the value for y by 2 into z. Okay, IL into z. IL value substitute here into z. So VL value, Vs value, Vs equal to VR plus IR into excuse me, IR into Z plus Z can be multiplied. So IR into Z plus VR into ZY by 2. VR into ZY by 2. So VR terms are common here. So common in these two terms VR, we can get VR into 1 plus VR common here. So remaining term ZY by 2 plus IR into Z. Okay. So we can find out the Vs value. That Vs value substitute in Is value. Okay. We can get the value for Is. So Is value is nothing but Is equal to IR plus VR by 2. Write down here. Is equal to IR plus VR into Y by 2 plus Vs into Vs into Y by 2. Okay, Vs into Y by 2. Is equal to IR plus VR into Y by 2 plus Vs into Y by 2. So, substitute the Vs value here. You can get IR plus VR into Y by 2 plus Vs value. Vs value is VR into 1 plus ZY by 2 plus IR into Z multiplication with y by 2. Okay. So IR plus VR into y by 2 plus VR multiplied and y by 2 also multiplied with the expression of these two. Okay, so here VR 1 into VR into y by 2. So VR into y by 2 plus VR can be multiplied these two terms. Okay. So VR into zy by 2 into y by 2. So VR into z into y square by 4. Both the terms can be multiplied at a time here. So VR can also multiplied and y by 2 also multiplied. VR into y by 2 plus VR into zy by 2 into y by 2 is nothing but zy square by 4 plus, so in this term no products are there. Okay, so IR into Z into y by 2 can be multiplied here. So zy by 2. Okay. Now see here, only IR terms common with IR and VR terms are, see here, VR terms. Okay. In these three terms VR is common here and these two terms IR is common here. So IS equal to VR into VR common y by 2 plus y by 2 plus zy square by 4. Y by 2 plus y by 2 plus z y square by 4 plus IR into 1 plus, see here, IR is common in these two terms, IR common here, so 1 plus zy by 2. 1 plus zy by 2. This is the IR term and this is the VR term. So in the VR term, VR into y by 2 plus y by 2 is nothing but y plus zy square by 4 plus IR into 1 plus zy by 2. Okay, this is the value for IS. So we can find out the current values, Vs value, Is value in terms of VR and IR. So compare these two expressions with the two-port network equations, that is nothing but Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Okay. So see here, this is the derivation for the nominal pi method. We can derive the expressions also. So IL equal to IR plus IC1 and IC1 equal to VR into omega C by 2, that can be rewrite as also VR into Y by 2 and Vs equal to VR plus IL into Z, VR plus drop. So in the drop IL placing the value for IL value IR plus IC1 and we know that IC1 value also substitute here. So we can find out the Vs value and by using the Vs value we can find out the Is value also. That Is value is y plus y square into Z by 2 into VR plus 1 plus yz by 2 into IR. So compare that Vs value and Is value with the expressions Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR, Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. We can find out that ABCD values see here, A equal to 1 plus yz by 2, B equal to product of IR. So IR product value is only Z So z value substitute here, so placing here. So b equal to z and c equal to, compare vr term in the is value, we can find out the c value. C value is y plus y square z by 2, and for d value 1 plus yz by 2. Okay, this is the four values for nominal pi method ABCD values. We can find out that two values, sorry, two conditions will be satisfied or not. Okay, that's the first condition is a equal to d, and the second condition is equal to ad minus bc equal to 1. Okay, so comparing equations, we can get a equal to a equal to 1 plus yz by 2, b equal to z, c equal to, and d equal to, also we can get the value 1 plus yz by 2, sorry. See here, we can get the value is a equal to 1 plus yz by 2 and b equal to z, c equal to, d equal to, d value is also equal to a value, that is 1 plus yz by 2, and the c value is y plus y square into z by 2. Okay, y plus y square into z by 4. Okay, here we are, is a mistake, v square into z by 4. Okay, y by 2 into y by 2 can be multiplied here, y square into z by 4. Okay, here is the mistake, y square into z by 4. Okay, we can derive the expression. Okay, we already derived this expression for ABCD values. So first expression is a equal to d, first condition is a equal to d, can be satisfied, and the second condition is AD minus BC equal to 1 is the second condition, and in this condition A into D can be multiplied and B into C can be multiplied. So A into D is nothing but 1 plus yz by 2 into 1 plus yz by 2 minus b value z into c value y plus y square into z by 4. Okay, so we can multiply these two, 1 into 1, 1 plus yz by 2 into 1, 1 can be multiplied both these two. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1 plus yz by 2, 1 plus yz by 2, and this can be multiplied with both 3. So yz by 2 plus y square z square by 4, and z also multiplied here, so minus zy minus y square z square by 4. Okay, see here, adding both these two we can get 1 plus zy. So see here, this is the two terms. Okay, y square z square by 4, y square z square by 4 cancel each other, and minus zy. Okay, these two are also cancelled, we can get the value equal to 1. So for nominal pi method also, that ABCD calculations are done here. So two conditions are satisfied. First one, a equal to d. The second one is AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, so this is the nominal pi method. Okay, and in the second chapter, theory part will be completed, and the problems can do in the next class. Okay, any doubts? I can take the one more class. Okay, in this I will repeat this nominal pi method once again. In the nominal pi method, see here. In the nominal pi method, we can calculate the sending end and receiving sending end current and sending end voltage in the form of receiving end current and receiving end voltage. Okay, in this we can derive the expression for the current IL and IC1, and then by using IL in the Vs expression, Vs equal to VR plus IL into Z. So VR plus, in the place of IL we can substitute the value into Z. By using Vs value, we can find out the current value Is equal to IL plus IC2, and in the place of IL and IC2 value substitute here, we can get the value for Is. Okay, this is same derivation do in all derivations. Okay, nominal T method, nominal pi method. Okay, and ABCD calculations for comparing these two-port equations, Vs equal to A into Vr plus B into IR, we can get the values of ABCD and derive that two conditions are satisfied or not. Is satisfied, that condition, that calculations will done in the method. Okay, so for totally in the second chapter we can derive these methods or nominal T method and nominal pi method and then condenser method. Okay, these three are in the medium transmission line. In the total second chapter, going to this, we are discussed about the short transmission line and medium transmission line. Okay, in the short transmission line, only resistance and inductance are present here. Okay, for why? Because for the low voltage traveling in that transmission line, so the capacitance value can be neglected here. So in the medium transmission line, it's a long distance and the voltage rating are very high compared to short transmission lines. It's high, so why that, in that reason the capacitance can be present here. So the capacitance can be present here. Okay, at position, at where position the capacitance value can be placed at the end of the circuit and the middle of the circuit. Okay, so at the end of the circuit, that can be treated as the end condenser method, and at the middle of the circuit, that can be treated as a nominal T and nominal pi method. It's a connection for the nominal T. Some derivation will be, can derive that expression for the sending end and receiving, for the sending end current and sending end voltage, and for the nominal pi method also we can calculate the same calculations for the sending end voltage and sending end current. Okay, in the vector form also we can calculate here, and constant values is nothing but by using the ABCD parameters also we can calculate the, we can derive the expressions for the sending end voltage and sending end current. Okay, this is the completion of the second unit, and some problems are there. So in the next class we are going to discuss the problems. Okay.